What is GODIAG GT106 Plus? How to use? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. GODIAG GT106 Plus is the upgraded version of GODIAG GT106. Both are 4V to 12V heavy-duty truck adapters and work with X431, EasyDiag 3.0, EasyDiag 2.0, Golo CarCare 3, iCarscan Golo Technician Box, Thinkcar, Thinkcar 2, Thinkcar Pro, ThinkDiag Mini, ThinkDriver OBD2 diagnostic Bluetooth head for truck diagnosis. Moreover, GT106 Plus adds fuel injector cleaning and relay test for cars and trucks. How to test car/truck relay by GODIAG GT106 Plus. When the car's headlights, turn signals, horn, and the engine starter do not work. If there is no problem with these components after detection, you can check the relay switch. After the relay is removed from the car, connect the adapter based on the connection of the relay. How to test car/truck fuel injector by GODIAG GT106 Plus. When the vehicle has difficulty in starting, acceleration, and fuel consumption, etc., it is necessary to check the fuel injector. When detecting the fuel injector, if the fuel injector is driven to open or close, the ammeter shows the normal value, and the fuel injector walks normally. It means that the fuel injector is normal. Otherwise, it means that the fuel injector is damaged. Note: use a 24V8A power supply to test the fuel injector of the truck, and the time should not exceed 120s. How to clean fuel injector by GODIAG GT106 Plus heavy-duty truck adapter. When the fuel injector is blocked, the fuel injection is not smooth. There are carbon deposits and thick sticky substance in the gap of the fuel injector. The designed fuel injection volume or atomization effect cannot be achieved. It needs to be cleaned. 1. Prepare a fuel injector cleaner pressurized can or a carburetor cleaner pressurized can, nozzle diameter of the pressurized cans, for millimeters. 2. Hold the manual cleaning tool tightly with your hand and firmly fix the fuel injector with your fingers to prevent the pressure of the cleaner can from washing away the fuel injector. 3. Pay attention to the hazards of liquid to human body during manual cleaning and take protective measures. Do not operate in dangerous places with open flames because the pressurized cans are extremely flammable. Choose an open place to facilitate the discharge of cleaning liquid. Note: fuel injector cleaning requires the additional purchase of an extension cord and a bottle of cleaning agent. Comparison table: GODIAG GT106 Plus vs. GODIAG GT106 vs. other 24V to 12V adapters. The GODIAG GT106 Plus and GODIAG GT106 products both convert a 24V diagnostic port to 12.5-12.7V, while other 24V to 12V adapters only convert to 12V. Both GODIAG models feature input voltage and output voltage displays, unlike other adapters which lack these displays. None of the products offer output current display. Both GODIAG models convert the 24V K-line protocol to the 12V K-line protocol, whereas other adapters do not. The GODIAG models also include a communication protocol indicator and a DC power interface, features that are absent in other adapters. Additionally, the GODIAG GT106 Plus is the only product among the three that supports fuel injector cleaning for both cars and trucks, as well as relay testing for both cars and trucks. The GODIAG GT106 supports only fuel injector cleaning and relay testing for cars, but not for trucks, and other adapters do not support any of these functions. Which heavy-duty vehicles are supported by GODIAG GT106 Plus 24V to 12V adapter? Currently, it supports the vehicles including ABS, HD, Allison, HD, Bendix ABS, HD, Bonlock, HD, Bosch, HD, Caterpillar, HD, Chow Chai, HD, Chrysler Diesel, Citroën Diesel, Truck D, HD, Truck C, HD, Cummins, HD, Dachai HD, DF, HD, DYUN, HD, Demo, HD, Detroit, HD, DFL, HD, Dongfeng, HD, Eaton, HD, FAW HD, Fiat Diesel, Ford Diesel, Photonomen, HD, Freightliner, HD, GM, Diesel, Great Wall, Diesel, Haldex ABS, HD, Higer, HD, Hino, HD, Hongyan, HD, HUNGHAI, HD, Hyundai, HD, International, HD, Isuzu HD, Iveco, HD, Jack Diesel, Jack, HD, Jack Light, HD, JMC HD, Comar HD, Kerry HD, Kerry Truck HD, Kenworth HD, Kinglong HD, Kobelco HD, Lidong HD, Mac HD, Man HD, Maxus Diesel, MaxForce HD, Mazda Diesel, Mercedes HD, Mitsubishi Diesel, Mitsubishi FUSO HD, Nissan Diesel, OB HD, Opel Diesel, Packard HD, Peterbilt HD, Peugeot Diesel, Chuanchai HD, Renault HD, Scania HD, SCR HD, Shackman HD, Shawnchai HD, Sinatruck HD, Sprinter Diesel, Sterling HD, Sunwin HD, Toyota Diesel, UD Volvo HD, VW Diesel, Wabco Abs HD, VAV HD, Weichai HD, Western Star HD, Wazhaolong HD, Shichai HD, Yangchai HD, YQSH HD, Yuchai HD, Yuniai HD, Yutong HD, Zhongtong HD. GODIAG GT106 Plus 24V to 12V heavy-duty truck adapter will be available at uobi.com within 1 month. You can pre-order now if you're interested in it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.